Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Ads to your Google Analytics to your GA4. So first of all, come to your Google Analytics account, and then at the top, at the bottom left bottom corner, you can see there is an admin setting. Just click on admin, and under the property section, just scroll down, and here product link, Google Ads link. Click on Google Ads link, and here just click on link. Then you have to choose Google Ads account. Click on choose Google Ads accounts. You can see here there is on account. Just click on it, ladies attire, confirm it, and click on next. Then enable personalized advertising. This should be enabled because it will help to do personalized advertising later. Enable auto tagging. Here enable auto tagging, selected Google Ads account recommended. It should be tick here. Then click on next and click submit. You can see here the ladies adder account is linked. This is a Google Ad account. It is linked to this GA4 account.